Alright guys, so the brackets came in for the racing seats. Racing seats just out here. I'm going to, or the racing seats essentially came with, the brackets came with the, there's essentially two of them. And they bolt together on both sides. So pretty much they come apart and they resemble a regular Z and a backward Z. Just put those two together. Came with four of them. Four makes two. And essentially what I'm just doing is I already put the seat in here once already. Essentially only thing I'm doing is I'm taking the brackets and I'm putting it up to the stock mounting points for the seat. So after I put these together, which they're done now, but I'm going to go ahead and take a drill bit, match them up to the actual bolt spots, and I'm going to go ahead and match them up, drill them through each side on both of them, and bolt them up, and then I'm going to take them apart, take them off make sure that everything fits correctly, then take them back off, put them onto the seat, bolt them up to the seat, and then put the seat back in. The only reason I'm doing that is because I already know from the rough estimate from this seat, from the from the elbow pads here to the leg pads down here where the seat actually ends at, everything's equal. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now, is get these brackets drilled out and bolted up to the stock locations. Alright, so as you guys can see, is what I'm referring to. Just bolted the brackets up to the stock locations. That's all I did. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these two down now, and then I'm going to put the seat in here and essentially just match it up again how I had previously. Make sure it's good to go, and then continue on from there. I got the holes drilled out in the seat now, and once again just kind of mocking it up a little bit. Get the right height that I want. And my oldest boy come out here and get everything lined up as much as I possibly could. So at least I know how far this has to go up and the back of it. And if I do sound a little, my throat, just getting over the flu. It's been a couple days. A little rougher than I thought. And with just enough area for everyone who's going to ride shotgun to have enough room to get their feet in here comfortably. It's already difficult as it is with the bars. So, get the seat up far enough, but back far enough. And then the backing. I want everybody to have a good clear vision. I think right there might be the winner. Everything's still lined up. That'll work. I know you guys can't really see it very well, but not much to really see. Just two holes drilled into the seat, so I can see a clear path to the brackets. That should work. Remove the seat, remove the brackets, drill through, fold them up, put the seat back in. Can't play the radio because copyright. See? You can't see the holes right there. Both sides. No biggie. Alright, so I'm just going to get the 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 4 washers. I go the other way. You know, jam your butt with a bolt. That suck. That'll make you have a bad day real quick. That could have been worse. Correct. I know I'm not breathing hard because I'm fat. No offense to anybody. Just breathing hard because I'm still sick a little bit. Just getting over it. It's that influenza A stuff. This here is A. It's real nasty stuff. Alright. Alright, love when it happens. Oh, brother. There we go. Stay. Ooh, caught that one. Alright, so I got the seat back in here now. I had the brackets reversed on accident when I put them in. So I got them all in here now, and the seat is actually mounted. Not firmly, but close to it. I got 4 holes in here now, along with 4 bolts, 4 nuts, and 8 washers from the seat to the brackets to the floor. So, as I get the other remaining bolt here done, and we'll be done with this, and we can move on. Alright, so this is what I was referring to, the 4 bolts. So, as you can see, the seat's in here now. And I have a block of wood pretty much acting as a spacer currently until I can find something a little more permanent, which I will do. So now I just gotta fully just get the seat cover in here and get the wife out here and have her sit in this and make sure everything's good to go. But let you guys have a look-see. There it is. Finished product. All that. Whew. Well, I guess it's all in there. Alright guys, well, we are done with the seat installation. The aluminum race seat. So that's all done now. I'm actually going to have the wife come out here and sit in it, make sure she's comfortable. And have each boy come out here and get into the back of the car as well. So that will be a treat. But I'm not going to post that. Or I'm not going to put it in the video. Continue watching. Keep an eye out for the next video. If you guys ever subscribe, make sure you guys hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you guys be the first ones to see it. Seat's done now, for the most part. I'm going to take my excess battery, throw it in the back, get the positive and negative hooked up, and then next we are going to be doing the coilovers. So I do believe the brackets and whatnot should be here, I think today or tomorrow. So there's gonna be another video either this week or possibly next week of the installation for the coilovers. So I don't think you guys truly want to miss that. Granted, some of it will be kind of boring. I'll probably put some of it on time lapse, but you'll be able to see essentially the before and after of the coilovers. And well, for those of you who are looking to install some yourselves with stock mounted suspension, I have the exact same thing. So, alright guys, appreciate if you guys have stayed along this far. Once again, if you guys have, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, smash that like button, and if you guys could continue to share it, I do appreciate all that. So, yeah, hopefully by the time you guys hear from me next time, my flu will be 100% gone. So, there's a little bit of a sore throat remaining right now. Done so far. I know it's not much, but you know, a couple of days with the flu, it took a lot out of me. So it is what it is. Alright guys, later. Hey, thanks for watching everybody. I appreciate it very much. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and share if you could, please. Thank you.